Congratulations on your new LG range purchase, and we're excited to help you get started with your new appliance. Inside the packaging, you'll find oven racks and other essential accessories conveniently located on top of the range. These items are essential for enjoying the full benefits of your new range, so please make sure to check for them upon delivery. Sometimes, these accessories can be missed during delivery and installation. If you think something might be missing, don't worry. It's easy to overlook these items when you're excited to start using your new range. Simply double-check the packaging and make sure your delivery agent has provided all of the necessary components. If anything is missing, please contact us right away, and we'll send you a replacement accessory package at no additional cost. Enjoy your new LG range, and remember, we're here to keep the Life's Good promise.